actually a very common question from grade 11 students, right? In trying to understand this, in grade 10 we learned the definition of sine, cosine, tangent in terms of adjacent, opposite, hypotenuse. Okay, and I only worked on right angle triangles. But the values of sine, cosine, tangent exist for angles that are greater than 90. And if you use adjacent, hypotenuse, and opposite, right? How do you find sine of, for example, 100 degrees? Can you create a triangle with one of the angles being 90 and the other angle being 100? That adds up to a total of 190, which is more than the angles, sum of all the angles inside added up, which is 180. So it's not possible to draw it. In fact, the real definition of sine, cosine, tangent is, it's on the unit circle. Here's the angle, right? X, Y. Sine of theta is the y over r. Cosine of theta is x over r, and tangent of theta is equal to y over x. It just turns out in the first quadrant, if you only consider the first quadrant, it's the same thing as considering adjacent, opposite, and hypotenuse, thinking it as a right angle triangle. So what you learned in grade 10 wasn't the whole story. This is a true whole story of the definition of sine, cosine, and tangent.